So, hello everyone. So, how many of you done this question? I already given that and uploaded it on YouTube. So, it's a very easy question. Okay, you have to just put your logic and find out the very shortcut method how I calculate this whole simplifications questions within our 10 seconds, right? So let's we do. So basically what you saw in the questions, this is called a cube, this is called b cube. Why? Look at that number 027, it is nothing but 0.3 is what? Whole cube. Okay, in the same way, if you look here in the denominator, you will find that this will be a square, this is the AB, and this one will be b square. Okay, now as you know that this will be, you know that the formula of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to a cube minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so if you put the formula in this way, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and divided by a square plus ab plus b square, what will we get? It's simple, eliminate, and what the final remaining part is a minus b. And what we know, what is the value of a? It's a 2.3. And what is the value of b? It's a minus 0.3. Now what will be the answer? It's become 2. Then correct answer is 2. Okay, in this way you can solve in very quick manner. I am taking a time just because for explaining, but you guys, if you try to do, just think out of the box how I can solve these questions. Okay, within a 10 seconds, within a few seconds, just looking at the number by observation skill. Okay, I hope you guys understand this sum. Okay, so shall I move to the next question?